Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Worth Coins channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. The 2003 penny coin. Have you ever wondered about the value and history of this little copper treasure? Well, you're in luck, because that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's explore the world of the 2003 penny. First things first, let's start with the basics. The 2003 penny, like all pennies, is a part of the United States currency system. It's made of copper-plated zinc, weighs 2.5 grams, has a diameter of 19.5 m, and features Abraham Lincoln on the front. But what makes the 2003 penny stand out? Well, it's not just any old penny. It has its own unique story. The year 2003 was significant for many reasons. And the 2003 penny is a small but important part of that history. This coin was minted during a time when the United States was dealing with various economic and political changes. The designs on the back of the penny also changed that year. In 2003, the Lincoln Memorial was replaced with the presidency design, featuring the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse side of the coin. Now, let's talk about the mintage figures, which can have a big impact on the value of a coin. In 2003, the United States Mint produced a substantial number of pennies. However, the exact mintage figures vary depending on the minting facility. There were 3 main mints producing pennies that year: Philadelphia, P, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. The S mint marks are a bit special as they were not made for general circulation, but for collector sets. So, what about the value of a 2003 penny? Well, the majority of 2003 pennies you'll come across in your pocket change won't be worth much more than their face value, 1 cent. However, there are some exceptions to keep an eye out for. If you're lucky, you might find a 2003 D penny with an error, such as a double die or off-center strike. These errors can make the coin more valuable to collectors. Speaking of collectors, the 2003 penny has a special place in the hearts of coin enthusiasts. Many collectors try to assemble complete sets of pennies from different years, and the 2003 penny is a crucial part of such collections. If you're interested in coin collecting, this coin is a great addition to your portfolio. The United Kingdom 1 coin was one of 3 new coins introduced into general circulation on the 15th February 1970. One in the United Kingdom adopted a new decimal currency system. The other 2 new coins were the 1 2p and 2p coins. 5, 10p, and 50 had been introduced earlier. The 1 penny coin is currently the lowest circulating denomination of the British decimal. Pound sterling, after the halfpenny was demonetized in 1984. Between 1971 and 1991, 1 penny coins were made of bronze. The first copper-plated steel 1 BP coins were struck in 1992. The reason for this change was the increase in the price of metals on the world markets. The coins have a mild steel core and are electroplated with copper. Consequently, they are magnetic. They retained the original design by Christopher Ironside until the introduction of the new one by Matthew Dent in 2008. Coins of this type are still current and circulate in parallel with the new ones. Coins issued in 2003 have now been circulating for 20 years. 1 penny and 2 pence coins are legal tender only up to the sum of 20. This means that it is permissible to refuse payment of sums greater than this amount in 1 and 2 coins in order to settle a debt. And there you have it, folks. The 2003 penny, a small yet historically significant piece of currency. While most of these coins won't make you rich, they're a fascinating window into the past and a great addition to any coin collection. Remember, it's not just about the monetary value. It's about the stories these coins tell. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about coins, their history, and their value, be sure to subscribe to Worth Coin channel for more fascinating content. And don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow coin enthusiasts. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, happy coin